Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to get user input. So to get user input is really simple. So first of all we're going to say echo input your favorite superhero, for example, superhero. And now to get input you put read, then you put a variable name. If the variable doesn't already exist, it will create it. So I'm just going to say superhero. And we are going to echo this out. So we're going to say your favorite superhero is, then remember just dollar superhero, save that, and that's it. So the read command is all you need for getting input from the user. So if we run this now, what's the command is? Yep. There we go. Input your favorite superhero, and I'm going to put Batman. Click enter. Your favorite superhero is Batman. So this is great for getting some input from the user. Maybe you are creating some sort of script to determine which files need to be, managed or copied over, or what maybe the script is regarding some sort of naming of files, or whatever it is. This allows you to get input. Simple stuff, but really useful. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.